Hi guys, today we'll talk about the infinite repeated stage game. So basically, the infinite repeated stage game is the one of the dynamic game series. So dynamic series basically different from our previous stuff called static game series, which is it moves more than one round. So it will continue with 2 round, 3 round, 4 round. And let's talk about examples in the other textbooks have more explanations of the continuous game series. So the dynamic game series, we often use the game trees to explain the situation. It's also called extension form. From here we can see it actually moves for 2 rounds. First round we have this, so first player, second player, and have this for outcome like here, and I list it out. Then the second round from here is going to this part is all the second round. So it will have the total 16 outcome, which has more payoff situations than the static game series. So if the game is have 2, 3, 4 until infinity, it's repeat again and again. We call it infinite repeated stage game. So it's often in the super game like a kind of lifetime stuff, kind of competition between the insurance company. They will need to calculate the payoff from 1 year to the end of your life, kind of. But it's not kind of a limited time, but it will be a huge amount of time. Usually, it's several years, and this is can if people can live forever, it will become infinity repeat stage game. Basically, if we take a look at the example of that, we can still use the prison dilemma for the infinite repeat game. So basically, we know there are 2 players, player 1 and player 2. They have 2 options, either claim or red. And we know if they cooperation to both make the claim, they will make the total outcome greatest. However, uh, either of them have the incentive to cheat because of if they cheat, they can have more personal outcome for the first round. But continuing in all the continuous round, they will never happen the cooperations again. They will all choose red. So in order to know how great is the incentive to cheat it and not cheat it, we can set up the threshold. We use delta, it's called discount factor, to identify the threshold of deviation. So the value of the collapse, so both company corporations, will be 2 divided by 1 minus the delta. And the value of the cheated gain and the rest of the gain will be VR, which is equal to the 3 plus theta divided by 1 minus theta. So basically, the 2 here is the payout of the both people choose claim, and the 3 is the first time the player choose to cheat it, which is the 3, and the rest of the game they will only have the red outcome, which is 1. So we will have the VC greater than the VR, then we can calculate out the threshold will be 0.5. And here's my reference. Thank you guys.